To my channel. We all want to be happy in the life, isn't it? Yeah, I know. Even I want to be happy. But how to get happiness? There are many things to achieve happiness. One of the important key is satisfaction. Now, again, the question is, what is satisfaction, or how do we derive satisfaction? See, usually when we achieve something which we always have thought that I want to be this, when you achieve a goal, you are satisfied. Or when you have something which you wanted desperately, then also you are happy. But first thing we should know is, these are the needs which we satisfy, and then we get satisfaction. But usually it is said in economics, if you all have learned, that wants are many, but resources are scarce. And there the question of satisfaction arises. See, resources are always scarce because our needs are unlimited. Nobody can satisfy all the needs at a time. So what is important is to give the priorities and get satisfaction. Now, first thing according to me is, I've already almost seen in a younger generation that when a friend has something, say a new dress or a new boyfriend, then we just see what dress she's wearing, so fabulous. What a boyfriend she has. But you never think what you have is also not bad. See, always I say that everybody's individuality is different, characteristic is different, and never think that what we have makes us what we are. No. What we are makes us what we are. That is, our characteristics, our traits makes us what we are. Not the outer things. So why should we go for such silly things and make ourselves miserable, sad, unhappy? No. Whatever we have is ours. It's only ours. As you can see, it is mine. Okay. Then whatever is mine is the best. This should be in your mind. Then you are never unsatisfied. Then you don't have any gloomy day. I have seen some people, some younger generation, if they have the birthdays and parents give them a gift with such a love. See, dear, this is a gift I brought for you. You might have thought of something else. Okay, let us assume that they give you the key of two-wheeler. And you might have assumed that they will give you a four-wheeler. Then what? Then you are angry. I don't want your gift. Why? Because you are unsatisfied with the gift. But you don't look behind that the parents has taken so much of the pain to give you a birthday gift. If you would have seen that, you might have smiled and accepted it happily. It would have satisfied you and your parents. Such a small thing, but makes a huge difference. We always live under the shadow of other people. I think we should leave living under the shadow of other people. Live your life. You are yourself. And make such identity that the people will follow you. You're not supposed to follow others. Whatever traits you have, let it come out. and then you are satisfied, because whatever capacity, abilities you have utilized it, and you have achieved what you want in the life. And that gives you satisfaction. And when you are satisfied, you are happy. You feel the whole world is so nice, so beautiful. The world is the same. But now your outlook, because you are happy, you feel everything is so nice. So dear friends, what I feel is, we should live in present. Always remember, past is past. And present, as the word itself says, present is a gift. But we don't know what will be there, stored in the future. So why don't we live in present? Gift, what we have, you utilize it. And make your future a bright future. Even in the business, the people always compete with each other. Competition is good, but the fair competition. That fair competition boosts you to go ahead. When you grow, you are satisfied. Okay, I have done it. But same competition should be taken, suppose, in another way. It gives rise to jealous. And that jealous makes you so mad that you can't see your own plans. You don't know the way you should go ahead so that you grow. Dissatisfaction always leads to nothing but unhappiness. When you are not satisfied with your life, you feel that life is useless. What is there to live? No, dear. Life is very precious. Everything is there with you. Just have little satisfaction. And patience. Patience to achieve what you want, so that your satisfaction will increase. If you do not have that patience, you might go in depression. Then the next step is, you are frustrated first, then depression, and then you may do a wrong way something to your life. Please don't do it. Such a small thing, satisfaction, a dot, which can become a huge in your life and make your life happy. So friends, be satisfied with what you have. Enjoy your life. Just find your capacities. Grow yourself and achieve what you want, but with fair ways. Okay, dear? So that's all for today. I'm sure you might have enjoyed this video. If you like it, please share with your friends and families. Please give comments, because that motivates us more. And please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed till now.